What's going on, everyone? Sean already here. I'm going to take you through the Microsoft Teams app, Teamflect, today. We'll take a quick peek at what all that can do for you and your team. So first, we're going to open up Microsoft Teams. This is fully compatible with the mobile app version of Microsoft Teams, but just today I'm going to show you what it looks like on the computer. So in Microsoft Teams, if you don't have experience with Teamflect or you've never used it before, you're going to go to this sidebar, click on the three ellipses dots, and we'll search for the app Teamflect. Teamflect, and it might be right here. It could also be a button that you would hit add on to add it, and that's how you would add Microsoft Teams Teamflect to your application. So once you've added it, it should pop up an icon here. That icon I would recommend right-clicking on and pinning it. Once you've pinned it to the sidebar here, you should be able to use it at a moment's glance for all of your teams. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and dive right on in. So Teamflect is an amazing app that helps collaborative meetings happen well. You can do that with the form of agendas, notes, different goals and reviews, and all those things. So what we're going to do is we'll take a look at it. So all of these meetings that you're seeing on my calendar, I did not create. They were automatically imported from my Outlook calendar that I already have with the organization here. So, and the people that are included in it also were just automatically dropped in. So awesome, easy to use right there. For instance, today I have a meeting with Melissa. It's our one-on-one weekly stand-up meeting that we do. Go ahead and click in that. This meeting is in person, but if it were digital, I could click join here and use Teamflect in my video meeting. But in person, what we can do is we can add talking points. So Teamflect will actually, a day in advance, notify you if you would like to add some talking points to that meeting. Talk about how great Teamflect is. So that's like an agenda item you can add to the meeting. And the cool part about this, whether it's a one-on-one meeting or a collaborative meeting with multiple people, we can all add our talking points one after another here and see them all in advance. I don't know about you, but I hate going to meetings in advance and not knowing, being in meetings and not knowing in advance what we're even talking about. This app will eliminate that. Talking points are something you can easily add. There's also the option to add in these 4 items here, such as attachments like files, documents, pictures. You can also add tasks. So if you want, Teamflect can be used as a task management tool. I know some of us already have one, but you can also keep your tasks in here too if you'd like. Feedback. Feedback's a great way to be able to share with other people just privately what some things about that meeting. And then recognition is a public way to share with everybody just something you're celebrating and happy about. Shared notes is a spot where you can write in notes for that meeting and everyone can participate. Maybe in a meeting you have a designated note taker, and that's a great spot for them to go ahead and type up all the notes. Private notes are things that only you will be able to see. So maybe it's a personal to-do or it's a personal task that you're going to run with after this meeting. You don't necessarily need the whole team to know all that stuff. That's a great place for you to see it. And for recurring meetings, you should be able to see on the left side here previous meetings and one ahead as well. So I can bump it back here to March 21st and take a look at that meeting. For me, it's probably not going to pop up because we didn't actually meet that particular day, so I don't have anything here, but that's a way you can kind of play around in there. So meetings is where we first landed at, and that's where all your meetings will live. You can click on them and play around. And all these other apps, like I said, tasks is going to be a to-do list, and it's a collaborative one. You can assign tasks to other people if you guys agree on doing something like that. It can live in here. Reviews are going to be like performance reviews and things like that. When we get into those, that's where they would be. Feedback is going to be stuff you give other people or to your team. Recognitions are going to be, great job. I did a great job introducing Teamflect to our company. So um, there's all of that. And then all of your notes that you want to take will end up here as well. So for us, this is the home page where all the different things will be, all those different apps. You've got your meetings, your goals, your tasks, reviews, recognition, feedback. For us at South Bay, we're primarily just starting out with the meetings, adding talking points and agenda items to it. And maybe we'll branch out into these other ones, but primarily this is the bread and butter of the application. So really excited about it, and I can't wait to get into it with you guys, and hope to hear how Teamflect is working for you.